Well, I was very excited, I must tell you, because I was changing a job after a long time. I was at ABS for 27 years. But then, that was also very difficult for me. Having worked in one place for 27 years and then to change to an entirely new setup. The two schools are similar yet very different in many ways. And also, the place where I was is very, very different from the city of Indore.
Right.
So it had its own challenges, but I felt at home very soon. So it was not much of a problem for me because of the excitement, I must say.
I thought I was joining one of the best day-come boarding legacy schools, and I'm enjoying my stay here. Nothing has changed.
Okay, my son was studying here and I wanted to join BC so that I could be with him, and I needed a job also, so that's how I got my job as a personality development teacher at the junior school in 2005.
So it has been beautiful because I think with the best age group, the tiniest of all. You've all been through that stage, and it's a beautiful, beautiful place. So I love being with children.
I was flooded with offers after Welham Boys and I kept saying no to all of them. But when DC happened, I asked myself, how does one say no to DC? So that's the sentiment with which I came here. How does one say no to DC? And I said it in my first founder's speech. When I entered the office, I saw myself in a photograph of the 2007 Brown Square conference in my office. And I said it in my APG speech. I'm saying it at the cost of repetition because it's a sentiment that I hold very close to my heart. There was an immediate connect, absolutely immediate. And it seems that Delhi College just absorbed me in and just took me in, and very beautifully. I do miss Welham Boys, I'll be honest. I do miss Welham Boys, but I now belong to Delhi College.
There have been many fantastic moments, and right now I can think of our success in Sijanya, both last year and this year. I can think of the Castle tournament last year and IPC tournament, IPC football. I can also think of our triumph in shooting and tennis. So there have been many such moments.
I was really very excited, and I loved when DC won the IPSC soccer tournament. I was very happy that day.
Once I left the junior school and I came to senior school, that time, if you know, Riddhima Chandok and that batch was in the junior school. And when I go back, the fondest thing is that the children used to come hugging me and asking me, why did you go away, ma'am, when are you coming back? Please tell us those stories.
So fondest memory, I would say, if you remember Aryan Anand, yes, he was just last year, 2 years, 2 batches senior to you. So he was taking part in a dance performance, and he was doing this lovely dance of Ranveer Singh. And after he finished his dance, he danced, and we were all watching and all clapping and all hooting for him. And somewhere from between his jacket, he took out this rose and he handed it over to me. It touched me so badly that I can't tell you. It was the most cherished moment.
Plenty. The receptiveness and the response of the staff and students has been very gratifying. Brought in a lot of changes, and happy to say that everybody became part of that entire, change spree, if I may use the word. Very, very beautiful, very, very gratifying. In particular, some very brilliant success stories that will stay with me. I can't ever get it out of my head. The graduation ceremony where Rehan, the way he greeted me, I had tears in my eyes. Another success story is Dushyant. There are many more, many more. These are just off the cuff. But yes, very, very gratifying. And it encourages me to do more, keeps me going.
And all of us will say Nana.
Is it okay if it's an English song?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So it's a song by Brian Adams. Here I am, this is me. There's nowhere else on earth I'd rather be. That's it.
For me, it would be like मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आई सिंग इट फॉर यू. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जस्ट डीसी फॉर यू.
Hollywood movie. Yeah, nothing I could.
Maybe a song.
Thinking. कुछ याद नहीं.
And if your post was a Bollywood
तड़प
character.
तड़प के क्या है? What was that song? तड़प तड़प के.
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए.
Jatindra, I can't sing to save my life. Okay, what I'll do is I'll dedicate a song to all of you, to all the children. I'll dedicate that song. It's a beautiful song which goes. I'll just pick one or two lines from there, which goes and says that I'm the one who got all the glory, but you are the one with all the strength. I can fly higher than an eagle because you're the wind beneath my wings.
So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long, a beautiful smile to hide the pain.
Teachers Day.
I heard. And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? Oh no, I've heard a lot of things. So now, hey, Dormis, get ready!
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. That's a nice ring you're wearing, Ishana. Sorry, ma'am, I won't wear it. I'll wear my Kohinoor tomorrow. Sorry, I won't. You better not. And lift your feet and walk. You Musa Kelly? What are you doing? Walking. And why are your hair open? Go fast. And lift your feet and walk.
Now the soft missions happen and when they have, हाँ बेटा जी आइए, लेट क्यों हो गए, सब ठीक है? यही तो दिक्कत है मेरी कॉलेज की, रवैया ही खराब है, कुछ होता ही नहीं है, स्कूल में बच्चे अभी चले आ रहे हैं, मैं क्या करूं? ठीक है बेटा, बहुत सी बातें, पढ़ाई तो करनी ही नहीं.
Mom, chocolate है क्या?
चॉकलेट वही ना, दीजिए बेटा.
Thank you.
हाँ, तो फ्लॉयड ने कहा था
No free lesson. ऐसे कैसे करूँगी? रोज free lesson मांगो तुम. मैं
everyone please start studying, please. देखो यहाँ पे very simple concept. यहाँ पे demand का block, यहाँ पे supply का block, price, equipment. I'll start dictating from those. Everyone open your notebooks. Everyone please. When the firm reaches the equilibrium, this is the point we get. Okay, can I start erasing now? What is this? What is this? अभी I'll call vice principal. Where are you? Come on right now.
What is this, sir? Show me another. You study?
ये पढ़ ही नहीं रहे रोज क्लास में रोज.
No, this is very wrong. We do nothing. We do everything. मैम डीसी एंजल का ये काम.
दो चीज में DC and your real शादी क्या क्या करूँ मैं? And I swear, if I see any trouble there at midnight crisis, you will have it from me. Come here.
गुड मॉर्निंग बिटिया. गुड मॉर्निंग हमारे नए मेंबर को बोलिए. बॉस है हम. मैडम, get up and get out. Get up and get out. Are you going out or should I seek for help? Soup? हमसे बच के कहाँ जाओगे मुन्ना?
तो हम क्या करें? मैम क्या है तुम्हें? जाओ.
Who's this? Come down! How dare you say like that? I'm not in the school like Daily College. University is better.
आप जानो विद्या बाजार.
मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं.
तुम्हारे पाँव के नीचे जमीन ही नहीं. तुम्हारे पाँव के नीचे जमीन ही नहीं. कमाल है, तुम्हें यकीन ही नहीं.
2 seconds later.
सर वो सीटिंग प्लान का कोई आइडिया है क्या आपको?
आइडिया बंद हो गया है, वोडाफोन ऑन है.
सर मतलब बैठना किधर है ये पता है क्या आपको?
चेयर पे.
विश्वधर सिंह.
यस मैम.
क्या कर रहे हो? उसी माँ मैं ऐसे ही बैठा था. कितना अच्छा वेदर हो रहा है ना?
मैं भी बैठती हूँ.
विश्वधर लाइनअप का टाइम नहीं हो रहा? बस जा ही रहा हूँ. बस जाता ही हूँ.
अरे चलो लाइनअप का टाइम.
हेलो मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून.
गुड इवनिंग.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
ये बटन क्यों खुला है?
मैम गर्मी लग रही है मैम. बहुत ह्यूमिड वेदर हो रहा है.
गर्मी लग रही है. हाँ क्यों खुला है?
वही सेम रीजन.
भारतीय उसके बच्चों को गर्मी नहीं लगती.
मैम
कहिए खंडवा नरेश. शर्मा जी गधे हो बेटा तुम, गधे.
क्यों अब क्या हो गया?
तुम्हारे ऐसे बच्चों ने ना अशोक हाउस को अशोक वाटिका बना के रखा है.
अब तो मैंने कुछ बोला भी नहीं.
कर ले बेटा कर ले. घर तक छोड़ने मैं ही जाऊंगा. एक बात याद रखना, दुनिया कहती है कर्मा रिटर्न, अशोक हाउस कहता है शर्मा रिटर्न.
यू सर।
देख लेंगे।